Also, they are all innovators.
Effective like Kashmir White Exposé.
Sir, and I have the product like it's apple cover.
And there is another nowadays. There is we cannot choose which saffron is pure and which is which. Yes, sir. To preserve this heritage crop, we have devised one of our own kit. It's a saffron adulteration kit.
You can check for adulteration.
Yes, sir. Sir, our own heritage crop follows these kinds of
So what do you have to do? You soak the saffron and then put a drop of the water?
Yes, sir. Yes, there are two solutions for it. One is meant to be kept in this chamber, and another one is for macerating the 2 to 3 strands of saffron in it, and we put that drop in particular slot here and let it air dry for some time, and then put it in the chamber like this, and wait for 7 minutes. Then there will be the different this kind of banding pattern. Yes, this kind of banding pattern.
This is the pure.
Yes, this is the pure, and the impure shows deviation from this
It
particular
has to be
band.
yellow and 3 bands.
Yes, sir.
This reminds me of those COVID tests.
Yes, sir. It's
Sericulture that is attacked by different kinds of diseases. That disease, we lose 40% crop. There was no, this drug was there that was a chemical based. We developed it that 100% plant based, and it is economical, sir. It costs only 90 rupees. This costs 130 rupees, and it is a broad spectrum disinfectant. It controls all the disease in silicon.
And it's organic.
It is organic.
This is a ceratine. Hardware has died for 6 months already. We don't have mulberry leaf available throughout the season. And with this, we can react silkworms during winter months also, which is otherwise not possible.
It gives all the parameters of water that are required for fish health, may it be pH, water level, dissolved oxygen, in order to reduce the mortality of fish. So it gives alerts to the farmers remotely. We can optimize.
This is for those commercial fish tanks.
Exactly. I have used aquarium, but this is for ponds.
And the actual size of what they would use is...
This is only the prototype. It will get reduced.
It will be smaller.
Yes, sir. Yes. It gives all the parameters that are required. And this is solar panel operated as well.
So it recharges
Yes,
itself.
sir. Yes, sir. It's
self-sustained.
efficient. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
And the probes are in the...
Yes, sir. They are in the water.
She's a
It
research
continues.
scholar of university.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Currently an incubator of Cost K Kashmir. It's our startup. It's basically an IoT-based smart soil analyzer. It collects data on a real time and gives that data to the user. Like in our traditional farming, farmers used to collect samples from the field and took that to laboratory. It eases that and through these sensors. It eases that and gives
So it lands on the field.
Yes, exactly.
Puts the sensor into the ground.
Yes.
Takes the readings.
Yes,
And
yes,
that's all it has to be
yes.
done.
And gives that data to the user. That is
Right then and there.
Yes.
So especially in places like Kashmir and Himachal, because of cold winters and all, the baby temperatures fall below, and the rise of hypothermia is on the rise in small cases. So this will prevent that from happening. This is what this does is basically monitors the temperature 24/7, and it gives real-time metrics in the application itself. And it says, let's say whenever the temperature drops a certain value, like let's say most of the cases happen during sleep because parents will be sleeping, the child will be sleeping, and we don't even know them. And most of the deaths will be happening in the night itself. So this gives an alert. Let's say if the temperature drops below 27 degrees, it immediately gives an alert in the tap.
Temperature of the...
Child. It
this
immediately.
probe is attached to the child.
Yeah, child. We can
On
tape
wrist.
it or on wrist or anywhere. We can tape it so that it stays 24/7, and then it gives
Is it
real-time temperature. Yeah.
You have to put it on.
It takes 2 minutes of time to come to the
Can you talk to
temperature.
me? I'll leave it on.
It happens. Then let's say if the temperature rises, let's say you cannot even reach out to the hospital. It gives the prescription. It gives the medication what to do in case of even if you can't go to a hospital.
What the app gives you.
The app gives it. The interface will be something of this sort. It will give you the whole temperature basis on the whole day basis.
And
So,
what you can do about it.
yeah, we can do about it so that even let's say even the doctor. So we are trying to we introduce it in government hospitals of Kashmir.
He said elderly babies.
Yeah.
My name is Aksha. I have done B.Tech in food technology. Then I started this venture. I mostly made some homemade based products.
This is desiccated coconut.
Yes. This is Ramzan special. सर हमारा ये हनी पाउच में हमने हनी इसमें लॉन्च किया हुआ है.
Local honey.
हाँ local honey, Acacia honey. And in addition to that, we have different types of herbal teas. ये हमारा rose tea है, lavender, and this is rosemary. And also we have this. This is Acacia Nutty Delight. We have added honey, and in this we have infused all the nuts and seeds. Yes, sir. This is our another product. This is masala tikki with saffron. We are not using any colors, additives, preservatives, and all. And this is
ये हमारा जो शीप स्किन जाया जाते थे, आई थिंक हर एक कश्मीरी की इमोशंस इसके साथ जुड़ी है, कुर्बान वास्ते से जाए का ये उसी पे एक इनोवेशन, मतलब जो हमारे कश्मीर के शीप मरीनो शीप है उसी के प्रोडक्ट्स उन्हीं का ये जो है ये यहाँ पर मुझे पहुँचना है, इसके लिए मुझे इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर चाहिए। जैसे ये है, ये हमारा है, ये हमारा है, ये हमारा है, ये एक DTF प्रिंटिंग टेक्नोलॉजी है जो मैंने इस पे अडॉप्ट की। जैसे बहुत सारी स्किन उनका फार क्वालिटी अच्छा नहीं होता है, इसको हम इनसाइड यूज़ करेंगे, आउटसाइड इसको इस तरीके। जैसे इसमें हमारे पास काफ़ी ज़्यादा और एक और टेक्नोलॉजी है डाई सब्लिमेशन प्रिंटिंग, वो हम इस पे अप्लाई करेंगे। जैसे ये सारी चीज़, ये सारा जैसे ये है, पहले हम वाइल्ड एनिमल्स यूज़ करते थे, यह हमने पश्मीना गोट को रेड फॉक्स का इफेक्ट दिया है। जैसे ये है, इसको हमने जैकल का इफेक्ट दिया है, जबकि ये शीप है सारा। दिस इज अ शीप, दिस इज शीप, दिस इज शीप, दिस इज द इनोवेशन, दिस इज द इनोवेशन। इसको हमने इसी तरीके से मैं लेपर्ड का इफेक्ट दे सकता हूँ इसमें काफ़ी ज़्यादा, ताकि जो ग्लैमर वर्ल्ड की चॉइस रही है हमेशा फार विदाउट यूजिंग एक्चुअल फर, विदाउट यूजिंग इसको हम डोमेस्टिक एनिमल्स पे
स्क्वाश कश्मीर इस साल अपना 10वां एग्रीटेक मेला बना रही है, जिसका नाम हमने रखा है गोंगल। ये स्टॉल ये मेला करीब पिछले मेलों से काफ़ी बड़ा है, 360 से ज़्यादा हमारे स्टॉल लगे हुए हैं। और इस मेले में एग्रीकल्चर से रिलेटेड हमने सीड से टेक्नोलॉजी और पोस्ट हार्वेस्ट तक सब कुछ रखा हुआ है। इसमें काफ़ी पार्टिसिपेशन है प्राइवेट इंडस्ट्रीज़ का, और फुटफॉल भी काफ़ी रहा है। करीब पिछले पहले दिन करीब 50,000 से ज़्यादा लोग, और आज दूसरे दिन भी कुछ ऐसे ही तवक्का है कि 50,000 से ज़्यादा लोग आए होंगे। ये पहले हम 2 दिन रखते थे किसान मेला, लेकिन अब की बार हमने इसको 3 दिन रखा हुआ है, और उम्मीद है कि आने वाले सालों में इस मेले को और ज़्यादा तक़वियत मिल जाएगी यहाँ पे कश्मीर।